Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Brawl Stars with a PS4 controller on your iPhone. First, ensure your iPhone's Bluetooth is enabled. Next, put your PS4 controller into pairing mode by simultaneously holding down the PlayStation button and the share button for a few seconds until the light bar flashes. Finally, open your iPhone's Bluetooth settings and select the DualShock 4 wireless controller from the list of available devices to establish the connection. Once your controller is successfully paired, launch the Brawl Stars application. The game offers native controller support, so you should immediately notice the input working. Head into the game's settings menu to fine-tune your experience. Here, you can adjust sensitivity levels for movement and aiming, and even customize button mapping to suit your preferred playstyle, giving you a significant advantage in battles. To truly master playing Brawl Stars with your controller, I recommend spending some time practicing in friendly games. This allows you to adapt to the new control scheme without the pressure of competitive matches. Experiment with various brawlers. Some characters, like sharpshooters, might benefit greatly from the increased precision. For maximum comfort during extended gaming sessions, consider using a phone mount that attaches your iPhone directly to your controller. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. A common first step is to simply restart both your iPhone and your PlayStation 4 controller, which often resolves minor glitches. Also, ensure your iPhone's operating system is updated to its latest version, as this can improve compatibility. For persistent problems, checking online forums or contacting Supercell's support team can provide specific solutions or insights into known issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.